Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card and memory card into Oppo A74. So let's do it. So to do that, first you need to look inside your box and here we have the pin for the SIM slot. Now use this pin, and in the left side of your phone we have the slot for the SIM card and memory card, and just put this pin into the hole and push it like that. Now remove the pin, remove the slot, and here you can put two SIM cards and one memory card. Here is the right position. And now let's put the slot back into your phone. Be a little careful and push it like that. Now you can power on your phone and you can enter the pin for the SIM card. Now to remove the SIM cards and the memory card, just power off your phone. Put again the pin into the hole for the SIM card, push it, remove the slots and put it back. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.